Hi, Peter Charles here, and today I'd like to talk about a product line that I've become quite impressed with, Peak Design products. That's a Peak Design bag, and we're going to look at some straps as well, and how they actually can help our photography by keeping the frustration level down and giving us more options. Okay, before we get started, I have no financial interest with Peak Design, and I paid full retail price for the products I have here. None of them were given to me. The first one is this interesting little bag. I got it for when I want to travel light on a little photography journey. Let's say I'm going for a walk in the woods and I'm not carrying anything big or heavy with me. This works fine. Also a good little vacation bag as well. Now, what's cool about this is, first off, the zipper works nice. I've had a lot of bags where the zippers, you had to fight them a little bit. The other thing is it's got lots of neat little features in it. So I'll take my camera out and we'll show you what I'm talking about. It has a flip down panel here, which you can use to secure a camera, or you could put other objects on it. And the inserts are designed to spread, so when you open the bag, the inserts are not fighting your ability to open the bag. We've got pockets inside and out, and it comes with two inserts which you can move around to suit yourself. Plus you've got these little packets in the little pockets, I should say, in the corner where you can put, lens caps, end caps, memory cards, whatever you want will fit in there. Now, there's other little neat things too. You can see that it's got this strap here. This is a Peak Design release. It goes on that strap. So this quick release you can have attached to your camera. Your camera can be just sitting there. Very good when you're traveling with a light camera. And you can just, press this red button. It slides right out. Now your camera's ready to go. So you can carry your camera on the outside of the bag, which is a very, very nice little feature. So these are the types of things I found interesting about the bag. The carabiners, by the way, I added. So it's a small, light bag. You can put belt through it. Lots of different ways to work this bag. Next thing I want to talk about is the straps and the anchor. I originally bought just this wrist strap because that's all I intended to use it for. And it came with these anchors, which make for a very easy release and very one-handed operation to put them back on. So this allows me to do a number of things. First off, I can store the camera without a strap attached, put it on a tripod with no strap, change the type of strap I'm using. So for example, if I'm using light lenses, I'm doing street photography, I might use this wrist strap. If I had a heavy lens on the camera, I might use something more robust. So let's look at some of the features of the neck straps. Okay, this skinny one here is called the leash. I don't remember all of the names of all the straps. That's why they have websites. So I'll put my strap on. So now we've got it on the neck strap. Now let's say that's too low, I want it higher up. So I just pull this out, slide it up. Now I've raised my camera. Let's say I want to put it across my body. So I need a longer strap. I just grab these, slide it down. There we go. Now I've got it around on my side. So this adjustable, all these straps come with these adjustment buckles. Very quick to adjust the length of the strap, which is great when you are changing what you're doing, constantly changing. If I'm going now to a neck position, I just have to raise these and I bring the camera back up to this position here. Make it easier for me to move around. So these work really good when you are changing how you're working. Now there's some other straps. This is the medium duty one, and it's smooth on one side and grippy on the other side. So if you turn it so the grip is down, it'll sit on your shoulder and it won't come off. It stays put, which is really, really cool. And if I want it around my neck, I can use the slide side and I can move it around, put it in this position. Now, if I have it on the slippery side, I slide it around, no trouble. So you've got lots of options on how you want to use the strap. And again, it has the adjustment strap so you can adjust the length as you're wearing the camera around your neck or across your shoulder. I mean, most straps you cannot do that easily. It's a fiddle. Not with these. And you can have the most robust one. It's the same design as the other, grippy on one side, smooth on the other. We have the adjustment tabs, and it is very well padded and wide. So when I've got this beastie, along with my XH2, and I've got it around my shoulder like this, it doesn't wear on me. I can carry this all day without any problem. And it slides into action really fast and back again. It's very quick and easy to operate. And again, I'm using these anchors. I can take this off if I don't want it on the lens. If I'm going to put this on a tripod, I don't want this hanging there. And just pop off the anchors. You know, and I'm ready to put it on the tripod. So there are lots of different features with these straps that really facilitate how we handle our cameras, how we carry them, and how we can change what we're doing on the fly. So if I want to go from a wrist strap to a neck strap, I want it short, I want it long, I want it across my body, I'm carrying something heavy, I can do it. So, Peak Design, it's got some great products. They seem to be designed by photographers, because when I look at that bag, when I got that bag, I went, wow, somebody put a lot of thought into this little bag. It's got a lot of features in a very small package. And those straps, it's all I use now. I have a bin downstairs, about this big, and it's full of straps that I don't use anymore, which gives you an idea of how I feel about those. So, check it out, Peak Design straps and bags. Cheers.